What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a shampoo battle. And in this battle, I'm using a couple of shampoos that I haven't used in a while, so I felt like it was just only right for me to battle them. So I'm going to be using the ADWOA Beauty BAOMINT Moisturizing Shampoo, which looks like this. And I'm also going to be using the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Whip Shampoo in the scent Mermaid. So this is what it looks like. I have reviews on both of these shampoos on their own, so I'll be sure to link those both down below in the description so you guys can check them out if you haven't seen them or if you forgot how I felt about them. I do have 2 reviews of the Annabelle's Perfect Blend shampoo, and that's only because I shampooed with it twice. The first time I used it, I don't know why I did that. I never shampoo my hair twice. It never really needs it. So I made a mistake when I did that and my hair ended up being really stripped. So I ended up trying it again just to give it a second try. I only used it once and I loved it so much. So I'm ready to see how it does against the ADWOA Beauty, especially since I've only tried that one time. And I did like it, but I wanted to battle it against some of my favorites just to see where it stacks up. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my Telliscopes. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video. And also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. As you guys know, I always pre-poo before I shampoo. So today I pre-pooed with the fenugreek water that I got from Mimi is Mighty Incredible. I'm going to link her video on it and my video on it down below in the description. And then I also used my favorite Shea Moisture Conditioner, the Smooth and Tame, and I used that first just to get all my tangles out. And then I went in with the fenugreek water, and I went in with the Kinks Hair Care Grapefruit and Mint Oil and the Grapefruit and Mint Butter. I put a video out on the Kinks Hair Growth Butter and Hair Growth Oil about 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to link that down below in the description as well. And I'm also going to link Bree and Kinks' channel. She's the creator of Kinks Hair Care, and I'm also going to, of course, link Mimi's channel as well. I don't think I said that earlier. If anyone was wondering what this is, I just have a shirt wrapped around my neck because my hair was dripping from my pre-poo. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this battle. I'm going to be using the Annabelle's Perfect Blend on this side and the ADWOA Beauty on this side. This is what the whip shampoo looks like. It definitely has a nice whip texture and it feels very soft.
Oh my God!
And this shampoo has an amazing lather, like one of the best lathers ever, so I really don't know what I was thinking shampooing my hair twice. That was a big no-go. And this is how the ADWOA Beauty shampoo looks. They have completely different looks to them. This one is kind of thick. It's not as thick as the Melanin, but it is pretty thick, and you can tell that it's creamy and it's got a lot of good oils in it.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
The ADWOA Beauty shampoo has a lather to it too, but it's nothing like the Annabelle's Perfect Blend one. But this one is minty. I feel like I don't really feel that tingly sensation on my scalp, but I can really smell it in the scent. My girl Healy Means recently tried the ADWOA Beauty BAOMINT Moisturizing Shampoo on her channel, so be sure to check out her review to see how she liked it, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button for her too. Healy does awesome natural hair product reviews and DIYs, and she's also been taking her subbies into her backyard to show us her garden and like what she has growing there. That's one of my favorite series that she has, so make sure you guys check her out and tell her that Curly Tails sent you. Telliscopes, I just finished rinsing out these shampoos, and just from rinsing them out, I can tell this is going to be a tough battle. So let me know down below in the comments if you disagree with the one I choose, because I am going to do my best to choose one. As I was rinsing the shampoos out, both sides felt amazingly moisturized. I could really feel the oils from the ADWOA Beauty shampoo, but the Annabelle's Perfect Blend shampoo left my hair feeling really moisturized too. Okay, first up is the Annabelle's Perfect Blend side, and this is what it's looking like. I love this shampoo. It always leaves my hair looking like this, as long as I use it only once. My hair is moisturized. You guys can see my curls are popping. I just love this shampoo. It is just so bomb. This is what the ADWOA Beauty side is looking like, and it looks and feels so moisturized, and my curls are popping even more on this side. Both sides of my hair feel clean and moisturized, but just off the feel and the look, I'm gonna have to give it up to ADWOA Beauty, and that's honestly not what I expected. I expected the Annabelle's to win this one. I just thought this one was gonna be a little bit more drying for some reason, but that's probably because I haven't tried it in so long, so I didn't even know what to expect, and this one has come out the winner. But definitely let me know if you guys are rocking with the Annabelle's Perfect Blend down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down below in the comments which shampoos or any products you'd like to see me battle next, so I can make that happen. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.